Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, your go-to place for mastering math. Today we are diving into chapter 3 of the NCERT class 10 math textbook, pair of linear equation in two variable. Get your notebooks ready and let's crack this chapter in record time. In this chapter we will explore the concept of the linear equation, their graphical representation method to solve them, and practical application. Let's break it down step by step. So we have used the two word. First one is the pair and another one is the two variable. So pair is the two equation and two variable is variable x and y. So over in first example we can see that there are pair of equation. First equation is x minus 2y is equal to 0. Second equation is 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. So these are two equations and both the equation are having the two variables. One is x and another one is y. So it is called the pair of the linear equations for two variable. Now we can solve these two equations. When I say solve these two equations, so we can find the particular value x and y. So this particular value can satisfy both the equations. So we can solve these equations by two ways. One is the graphical method and another one is the algebraic method. So first we will dive into the graphical method. So graphical method is the one in which we draw the x and y axis and we place the different value of x and corresponding value y, and we can draw the one line for first equation and we can draw the another line for the second equation. Where both the line getting intersected is the solution for both the equations. So value of intersecting point x and y is the solution for both the equations. Based on the graphical method, we can have the three possible scenarios. One is the intersecting line, another one is the coincident line, and third one is the parallel line. So now what we will do is that we will write the two different equations, right? So it's a pair of equations. First one is the a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Another equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then both the line which is generated by both the equations get intersected only one point, and that point, the value of x and y of that point is the solution of the equation. Now if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, right? So the ratio of a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2 is equal, then both the line is identical, or we can see that both the line are coincident line. And third one is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but is not equal to c1 upon c2, then we can see that both the lines should be parallel line, right? So if we draw the different scenario, so in first scenario if I draw two lines, it get intersected. In second scenario both the line are same line, so again the second line is exactly overlapping the first line. And in third scenario both the line are parallel line, so if we draw both the line, they are parallel, they are not getting intersected. Based on these three conditions we can identify whether the line get intersected, identical or coincident, or they will be parallel one. So if we look the one example by drawing the graphical method, so equation is x plus 3y is equal to 6 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So we put two values 0 and 6 for x, and based on that we have calculated the value of y, which is 2 and 0, right? So over here if we write x plus 3y is equal to 6, then 3y is equal to 6 minus x, and y is equal to 6 minus x upon 3. So we can place the value of x and we are having the corresponding value of y. Similar fashion we can write the 2x minus 3y is equal to 12, and we can convert this equation in similar fashion, y is equal to 2x minus 12 upon 3. So we can take 2 points 0 and 6 and corresponding value of y 2 and 0, and we draw a first line. So we are having 0 2 value point and another one is a 6 0 point, and in similar way 0 value for x, corresponding value is minus 4, so over here 0 and minus 4 and 3 and 2 minus 2. So if we draw both the line, it will get intersected at point 6 and 0. So solution of this equation is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. So based on these 2 points we can draw a line, we extend the line, and intersecting point is the solution of the line. The second one is the algebraic method. So why do we need the algebraic method? So in graph, we can easily draw the line based on the point 1, 2, if it gets intersected on point which are integer and which are easy to identify. But what about the points that are intersecting at rational number or the irrational number, like under root 3, 2 under root 7, if it is decimal one, 1.75, 3.33. If we are having the such number, then we cannot find on the graph easily. So to solve them, we are having the another one is the algebraic method. Algebraic method can be solved by the substitution method and the elimination method. So what is the substitution method? So we can see that over here we are having the two equations, 7x minus 15y is equal to 2 and x plus 2y is equal to 3. So what I'll do is x plus 2y is equal to 3 and I rewrite x is equal to 3 minus 2y. Now this 3 minus 2y, if I place instead of x, then we can place instead of x I place 3 minus 2y minus 15y, which is equal to 2. So 7 into 3 minus 7 into 2y minus 15y is equal to 2. So 21 minus 14y minus 15y is equal to 2. So 21 minus 29y is equal to 2. So minus 29y is equal to 2 minus 21. So minus 29y is equal to minus 19. So y is equal to minus 19 upon minus 29, which is 19 by 29. Now if we place the y is equal to 19 by 29 in this equation, right? So if we write x plus 2y is equal to 3, instead of y we can place 19 by 29 is equal to 3, x plus 38 upon 29, which is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 minus 38 upon 29, x is equal to 3 multiplied by 29 minus 38 divided by 29, which is equal to 87, minus 38 divided by 29, which is equal to 49 upon 29. So value of x is 49 upon 29 and value of y is 19 upon 29. The second method is the elimination method. So in elimination method, we can write the two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So I'll rewrite the same equation, 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000 and 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. Now if you want to eliminate y, I need to multiply the first equation by 3 and the second equation by 4. So 3 into 9x minus 3 into 4y is equal to 3 into 2000 and second equation by 4. So 4 into 7x minus 4 into 3y is equal to 4 into 2000. So 27x minus 12y is equal to 6000 and 28x minus 12y is equal to 8000. Now if we subtract both the equation, right, equation 1 minus equation 2, so minus plus and minus, so 12y 12 might get cancelled, 28x and 27 minus x is minus x and 8000 minus 6000 is minus 2000. So x is equal to 2000. Now if I place the x is equal to 2000 in first equation, 9 into 2000 minus 4y is equal to 2000. So 18,000 minus 4y is equal to 2000. So minus 4y is equal to 2000 minus 18,000. So 4y is equal to minus 16,000. Y is equal to minus 16,000 divided by minus 4, which is nothing but 4,000. So we are having the value of y is equal to 4000 and value of is equal to 2000. So based on these two methods, we can solve the value of x and y for both the pair of equations having two variables. So we are having the two methods. One is the graphical one, another one is the algebraic one. Algebraic one can be solved either by substitution method or by the elimination method. That's it for today's crash course on chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variable. I hope you found this session helpful. If you have any question or need further clarification, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Until next time, keep practicing and keep learning. Goodbye.